the minutes of this meeting. Minutes of this meeting are now being prepared, and we will urgently send them and place them before the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister at the earliest, likely by the end of this day, to the Voice of the People Party to attend this meeting, provided that the government of Meghalaya permits us to extend our terms of reference to also discussing the job reservation policy. No conversation on the roster would be complete. It would be unfair and not inclusive on our part not to also include the VPP, because every political thought in the state is important. This is an important milestone that we are about to cross. Let us do it together, and we fervently appeal, please come to the next discussion. And we want to tell you that we are requesting the government to allow us to go beyond the terms of reference of this committee and to be inclusive, and to also allow this committee or any other committee, even at the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, to take up this matter in the interests of the people of the state of Meghalaya. That the Honorable Chief Minister himself will be meeting other important stakeholders in the state of Meghalaya on the 31st of May. So therefore, our committee will again re-meet on the 31st of May at 2:30 p.m. in the same venue, and we will give an opportunity to all political parties to bring forward suggestions and observations, so that we are able to take at least this one agenda forward in letter and spirit, so that the people of the state of Meghalaya may feel that we are a committee that is inclusive in nature, and we would like all points of views to be heard before any final decisions can be taken on this matter.